Hi guys, this is Asal, and today I wanted to make a quick video for you to talk about statistics. First of all, I'm not a math major. I do not like math, but I had to study statistics to even get into my major before I even wanted to get into law school. So my major was legal studies, and to get into UC Santa Cruz, I had to pass a statistics class. Yes, and I hated it, but I had no choice but to pass that class. And now I've realized that that is very important. Statistics is very important because statistics is used in our everyday life to see how likely we are to behave in a certain way. For example, let's say if you want to watch Netflix. Netflix uses statistics to introduce its shows to you. So without statistics, a lot of things in the world would not be possible. That's why statistics is so important. Now that I talked about that, I would like to mention statistics in a courtroom. So there's been many cases, and almost every case, they use some statistics to actually make sure that the facts actually make sense. For example, one of the first cases where they used statistics was the case of Alfred Dreyfus. So Alfred Dreyfus was a man who was accused of espionage in France, and they had to use statistics to see how likely it was that he wrote his letters. So that's one place they use statistics. Another example I could give you, another case I could give you, would be the case of Sally Clark. So what happened in the case of Sally Clark? Both of her children died, and then she was accused of murdering them with her husband. So they had to use statistics to see how likely it was for each child to be dying of that cause every time. Like one child died and then another child died. So they had to use statistics to see how likely that was. But just because one thing is unlikely, that doesn't make the other thing likely. So that's why when we could have problems with statistics, like sometimes we could say that, just because Sally wasn't the person who killed the child, like the husband was, like we cannot use statistics and to actually completely say how likely it was. But we do use statistics in the courtroom, and that's all I wanted to say about that even later on in life, still we use math, and that's just all a part of it. Anyway, I really wanted to keep this video short, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day. Goodbye.